Hey guys, it's a beautiful sunny Sunday today. We're gonna get some gob tam. Might show you some banh mi. Find you another street food just to show off some of Saigon street food.
Here we are. That's our place.
We got our delicious gob tam. I got mine with an egg, and I just got hers on her own. Basically, it's like broken rice, barbecue pork, and you get this delicious sweet fish sauce with chili that you pour on your rice. So good. It's like my favorite dish.
So we just finished our com tam. It was really, really delicious. So now we're off to get a banh mi. I'll probably have a bite, but Ben will probably still be hungry.
Yummy.
So yeah, let's go find a banh mi place. We're not too sure where they are, but we'll find one.
Yeah, they're always around.
So we can find banh mi anywhere. I think because it's Sunday, nothing is really open. So we found a banh mi anyway at like this cafe. Not cafe.
Bakery.
Like a bakery, yeah. I got like this cute little taro dessert, and then we got one of these. I don't know what this is at all. It's got like something in it. I don't know what it
Looks pretty good.
We got a banh mi. Look, it looks delicious. This way. You see?
Yummy.
And it smells really nice. Wow, that's really good. The first bite's always like a little
Bread.
bread. The meat's really good. Good flavor. Oh my god. That's really good. They must use extra pickled vegetables, so it's very fresh. The cold meat's very good. Yummy. So Ben's just gone to get some money out, but we did get some food. I was very hungry and so was he. So we just got some bun rio.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. It's walking out to the main way and we stopped at a kun reel.
Yeah.
It's like a tomato sauce noodle soup with like everything. It's got like blood sausage, fish cake things, pork sausage, tofu. I think there was a little snail. I don't know if it was a snail or like mushroom or I don't know, something. It's a bit chewy, but it's nice. I like it. It's really good.
So after that, I felt like something sweet. So we got some sugarcane juice. You can see. It's like lots of ice in there to keep it nice and fresh. And it's so tasty.
Yummy.
It's 15,000. Look how big it is. It's like the size of my head. So that was our food in Saigon video. I hope you enjoyed it. We also just went into
Some market.
The market as well. It's very nice. It's nice if you want to get some souvenirs or things.
That's pretty much it.
Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and also remember to love, live, explore.
See you guys.
Bye.